Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Local Learnings. So tonight my time kind of got away on me and I'm making myself a quick pot of soup. And I kind of wanted to show you guys how you can mix and match and throw together a good pot of soup. So I started out with a jar of beef bone broth that I jarred up in 2022. To that I added 1/3 cup of pearl barley. And to that I added about 1.5 cups of coleslaw mix. If you have your own cabbage, you can just cut it up. I like this because it has the carrots in there as well. It has the green cabbage, the purple cabbage, and the carrots. It gives it a really nice flavor and texture in there. I also cut up half of a red onion. I cut up a couple cloves of garlic. I also added oregano, about a teaspoon of oregano, about a teaspoon of dandelion root powder, about a tablespoon of stinging nettle, and about half a teaspoon of chaga into this recipe. And I've been letting it cook for a little while, so the barley is starting to plump up. Everything's looking good. And now I'm going to take more of the cabbage mixture and dump that in there. So for this size pot, I probably put in about, 2 cups, maybe a little bit more than 2 cups of cabbage in there. And it's going to make a lovely cup of soup with a nice piece of bread or a bun and butter. You know, it's so easy to add nutrition to your cooking with medicinals and foods. I mean, red onion has tons of medicinal benefits. So does garlic. So does barley. It's great for our digestion. The cabbage is really good for us cruciferous vegetables. And, you know, dandelion root powder, if you can find a good place to harvest your own dandelions, it's so easy to make this stuff for yourself and to have on your shelves on your own. I still haven't found any chaga on my own, so I still order it. This is Simply Super Organic Superfoods. I really like their product. I actually found this at the Marshall's store here in Canada. They carry a nice selection of this brand. I also have the ashwagandha. And as for stinging nettle, again, if you find a good place to harvest it, it's so high in protein and minerals. It's so good for us in many, many different ways. And then oregano, we know, is a natural antibiotic, and it's just great to increase the nutrients going into our body right now, as we're in winter months, and seems like there's a lot of people with the flu again this year, so we want to eat as healthy as we can. And as you guys know, I do the 1 meal a day, so this is my 1 meal a day, and it's going to have everything I need in there, including that wonderful flat iron steak. It's such a tender cut of meat. It really makes a lovely, lovely pot of soup. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying healthy through the winter season. Don't forget to lean on your food to keep healthy. Okay, thanks so much for coming by my channel. Bye-bye.